Did you know that the soil beneath our feet is teeming with life? It might be hard to believe, but the ground we walk on every day is far more than just dirt. It's a bustling world, a complex ecosystem brimming with billions of organisms, each playing a crucial role in the health of our planet. Let's take a moment to delve into this unseen world beneath our feet. Picture this: for every single step we take, there are more organisms in the soil than there are humans on Earth. That's right, billions of organisms cohabitating in a single spoonful of soil. Quite astonishing, isn't it? But what are these organisms, and why are they so important? Well, the soil is home to a myriad of species, including bacteria, fungi, insects, and even larger creatures like moles and earthworms. These inhabitants make up a vast and intricate web of life, each contributing to the cycle of life in their own unique way. Take bacteria and fungi, for instance. They are the unsung heroes of the soil, working tirelessly to decompose organic matter. They break down dead plants and animals, transforming them into nutrient-rich humus. This process is integral to the recycling of nutrients, ensuring that the soil remains fertile and capable of supporting new growth. And then there are the countless insects and other small creatures that burrow and wriggle through the soil. Their constant movement helps to aerate the soil, improving its structure and making it easier for plant roots to penetrate. This not only helps plants to grow but also aids in the prevention of soil erosion. So, you see, the soil beneath our feet is much more than just dirt. It's a dynamic, living entity, a crucial component of our planet's health. It's a world that often goes unnoticed, and yet, it is indispensable to our lives. Next time you step outside, consider the bustling world beneath your feet. This unseen world is quietly working, tirelessly contributing to the balance and health of our planet. So let's appreciate it, respect it, and most importantly, let's protect it. Trees are social beings. They communicate and care for each other in fascinating ways. It may sound like a line from a fantasy novel, but this is solid science, backed by years of meticulous research and observation. Let's take a journey into the world of Dr. Suzanne Simard, an ecologist who has spent her career uncovering the hidden life of trees. Dr. Simard's groundbreaking research has revealed that beneath the serene surface of a forest, a bustling network of communication and cooperation exists. Imagine a forest not as a collection of individual trees, but as a superorganism where every tree is interconnected. This connection is made possible by mycorrhizal networks, intricate webs of fungal threads that weave through the soil, linking one tree root to another. These networks are like the internet of the forest, a natural highway that enables trees to share resources and information. Picture this: a towering, sun-soaked Douglas fir sending sugars to a shaded sapling struggling to photosynthesize, or a birch tree under attack by insects, sending out a warning signal to its neighbors. But it's not just about survival. Simard's research suggests that these networks also foster resilience in the forest ecosystem. They help distribute resources evenly, ensuring that no tree is left to starve, and they allow the forest to respond as a whole to threats and changes in the environment. This is more than just a scientific curiosity. It's a profound shift in how we understand the natural world. Trees, it turns out, are not solitary individuals competing for light and nutrients. They're part of a larger, interconnected community that communicates, supports each other, and even nurtures its young. So next time you walk through a forest, remember, you're not just surrounded by trees, you're surrounded by a sophisticated network of communication and cooperation. You're in the presence of a superorganism that has been evolving and refining its strategies for survival for hundreds of millions of years. So, trees are not solitary individuals but part of a larger, interconnected community. They're social beings just like us, speaking a language that, thanks to researchers like Dr. Simard, we're just beginning to understand. Nature's most efficient solar panel isn't a piece of technology, it's a leaf. Imagine a world where there's an endless supply of solar energy, a world where this energy doesn't just power our homes and gadgets, but also provides the air we breathe. This isn't a figment of some sci-fi fantasy, but a reality that's been happening all around us for billions of years. It's the magic of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, in its essence, is a process where plants, algae, and certain bacteria convert sunlight into energy. But how does this seemingly simple process work? Let's break it down. The magic begins when sunlight hits a leaf. The leaf, nature's solar panel, absorbs this light, particularly the energy from the blue and red light waves. Inside the leaf, this energy is transported to a tiny factory known as a chloroplast. Here, the real work begins. The energy captured by the chloroplasts is used to power a chemical reaction. This reaction takes water absorbed by the plant's roots and carbon dioxide from the air, and transforms them into glucose, a type of sugar. This glucose is the fuel that gives plants the energy to grow, reproduce, and essentially live. But the magic of photosynthesis doesn't stop there. In the process of creating glucose, plants also produce a byproduct that is crucial to our survival: oxygen. That's right, the very oxygen that fills our lungs with every breath we take is a gift from the plant kingdom. And there's more. Photosynthesis also plays a crucial role in combating climate change. As plants absorb carbon dioxide to produce glucose, they effectively remove this greenhouse gas from our atmosphere, helping to cool our planet. So the next time you see a leaf, remember, it's not just a part of a plant. It's a solar-powered factory, tirelessly working to sustain life on our planet. In essence, every breath you take is a gift from the plant kingdom. Diversity is not just a societal ideal, it's a biological necessity. In the natural world, biodiversity is the variety of life on Earth. It includes all organisms, species and populations, the genetic variation among these, and their complex assemblages of communities and ecosystems. Biodiversity is more than just a rich palette of life. It's the very framework that allows the planet to function. A healthy, diverse ecosystem is one that's robust, full of life, and resilient to change. It's like a well-oiled machine with every part, every species playing a crucial role. Consider a lush green forest. It's not just a collection of trees but a complex web of life. Birds and insects pollinate flowers, allowing plants to reproduce. Decomposers like fungi and bacteria break down dead organisms, returning nutrients to the soil. Predators keep herbivore populations in check, preventing overgrazing. Each species has a job to do, a niche to fill, and without one, the entire ecosystem could falter. Now imagine a disturbance, a fire, a disease. In a diverse ecosystem, the impact of such disturbances can be absorbed and overcome. There are enough different species with different traits and roles that if one disappears or declines, others can step in to fill the gap. That's the power of biodiversity. It's the best insurance policy nature has against disaster. But with the loss of biodiversity, ecosystems become fragile. They lose their ability to adapt, their resilience. When too many pieces are removed, the machine can grind to a halt, and the services it provides, clean air, clean water, fertile soil, can be lost. So let's not forget the importance of every creature, every plant, every microorganism. Each holds a unique place in the intricate tapestry of life, contributing to the health and vitality of our planet. And as we care for and preserve this diversity, we are also protecting our own future. In the words of naturalist John Muir, when one tugs at a single thing in nature, he finds it attached to the rest of the world. Nature's wonders are at risk, but there are things we can do to protect them. We live in a world where the beauty of our natural environment is under threat. Yet, we also live in a world where every individual has the power to make a difference. It begins with the small actions we take every day, actions that speak of our commitment to preserving the planet we call home. One of the simplest ways to make a difference is by reducing waste. This isn't just about recycling, although that's a crucial part of it. It's about changing our consumption habits. It's about choosing products with less packaging, reusing items instead of throwing them away, and composting our food waste to enrich the soil in our gardens. Planting native plants is another significant step towards taking action for nature. Native plants not only add beauty to our surroundings, but also play a vital role in maintaining the balance of local ecosystems. They provide food and habitat for local wildlife, help to conserve water, and contribute to the health of our soil. Supporting conservation organizations is also a valuable contribution. These organizations work tirelessly to protect endangered species, conserve habitats, and educate the public about the importance of biodiversity. They rely on our support to continue their vital work, whether it's through financial donations, volunteering our time, or spreading the word about their efforts. Taking action for nature is not a one-time event. It's a lifelong commitment that begins with understanding and respect for the natural world. It's about realizing that every choice we make, every action we take, has a ripple effect on the world around us. So let's take a moment to reflect on what we can do to help protect nature. Can we reduce our waste? Can we plant native plants in our gardens or community spaces? Can we support a conservation organization that resonates with our values? Remember, every action counts. Together, we can make a difference for our planet.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned for more fascinating content.